So yeah, they're gonna stay together for a bit. Finally, I'm getting progress done, dude. Like seriously, just every day I gotta chip a little bit. That's right now the only way I can definitely, you know, bear with this, because it's just not having enough time kicks my ass. And you know, now school and work, well, work and school, the order doesn't really matter. I mean, it does, but still, you know, it's like, dude. Hey yo, what's up guys? So I'm back after an earthquake. Well, my buddy came over, we did an oil change on his car, and then we had an earthquake going on. So it was in Carson actually, which is pretty close. It's one of the neighborhood cities, and dude, it was a 4.6, so it shook the whole ass garage. So I kind of forgot to record. No, I'm not touching myself, but I'm looking from my flashlight because now I'm getting tired. So I'm taking this guide off. Check this out. It's 2-piece now. Seriously though, I definitely gonna have another shipment of parts, because as I just take the engine apart, and then the other one is a E12. These are stock head bolts, and I'm gonna switch them out to ARP. And honestly, I should write my shipping list. And then I looked up what's the, well, usually when you take off the head, the order doesn't matter as much. I checked this guy's video, but he said pretty much he wants to start from the middle and outwards, but he did these two bolts on the front first. So I start with those two, and then I move to the middle, and then I move out. They shouldn't be so crazy tight, I think. Dang. Oof, okay. But holy shit, these are tight, dude. Like, yo. I don't know if I'm that tired by this point now. You know, but fudge. Ain't y'all, nobody told me that it's gonna be a workout. But shit, dude, after work and after school now, I'm tired. Let's go at it, baby. I gotta work out. I'm like, no, never mind, I don't need to work out. Okay, these are not that bad now. Hey yo, what up guys? Well, back with another episode of craziness. Well, I'll be recording, you know what, I don't even get into it. Let's get into what I want to talk about, because I'm gonna make this video too long if I talk about all the crap I want to. But, well, guess what? So we pulled the head. Well, I asked my friend to help me pull the head off. So yeah, I got out the head from the car. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I looked underneath it too. It's, you know, has some deposits, especially like, you know, exhaust ports. Definitely, you know, will need some work. So right now I'm looking for a machine shop to see if I can find a good place to do the head. I'm trying to get this thing going, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad for the mileage. 270,000 miles. I think it looks pretty decent. You know, I have some deposits on some cylinders and have some crap falling in from the gasket, and the gasket is definitely, you know, shot. Still haven't made that list. I have to make a secondary list on what else I need or what else I'm missing. So I have to grab all the parts because they still all in boxes. I have to grab all those parts and whatever I have in my my reserve or whatever you call it, and write a list what I have, and then write a list what else I need, and write a list what else I might need extra. So, you know, if I run into an issue where I fuck up, let's say the gasket, you know, I would have another one. Oh, what up, guys? Well, here is sometime later, trying to figure out things and trying to sort of work and stuff like that. Well, my buddy came over the other day, and I'm not sure if I already talked about it or not. He told me I pretty much saved my block because it started definitely going out. I mean, if you inspect it, let me see, maybe this way the light is better. You see a little bit of steam cleaning on the tip of the pistons, like right there. See, it's kind of like super clean. Yeah, so probably add some coolant going in there. But the main thing is, if you look at the last one has way more steam cleaning on it, even around the block, and that's where it was seeping on the corner. So that's not just one thing, but the other thing, my gasket started to go. That's a piece of the gasket, and I have that shit like kind of everywhere if you look at it. So it definitely started coming apart. And if you look at the old gasket, hold on, I don't know if you guys can see it, that's corrosion. Like, yeah, dude, it is pretty much gonzo. And I don't have the new one out yet to show you guys like how the new one looks like. But yeah, man, there's never enough time. But I've been working on some videos, so you guys gonna probably like those, and and it slowly keeps growing, and it's super awesome, like you guys following my shit. And I don't know if I record anything, I just have to do minor stuff on the Integra. But see you guys later.